For those of you guys that don't know me, my name is Gary Brecka. I'm a human biologist, a biohacker, and a researcher. As soon as I start to talk about what I used to
Meet Gary Brecka, a renowned biologist, biohacker, and co-founder of the 10X Health System. His mission? Unlock the potential of the human body through innovative health strategies. Backed by high-profile endorsements from celebrities like Kylie Jenner and UFC President Dana White, Gary's wellness plans have gained significant traction. In this video, we'll dive into Gary's methods for achieving longevity, covering his food habits, exercise routines, daily supplements, and foods to avoid. Stick around to learn how you can optimize your health. And if you enjoy this content, please subscribe. Your support helps us keep creating. Before we dive deeper, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with our latest content. If you're enjoying the video, smash that like button and show your support. Also, drop a comment below to share your thoughts, experiences, or questions. We'd love to hear from you. And make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Gary follows a keto-inspired diet focused on high fats, moderate protein, and minimal carbs, which keeps the body in a state of ketosis. This metabolic state allows the body to use fat as its primary fuel source, promoting weight loss and sustained energy. His typical macronutrient ratio is around 70 to 75% fat, 20 to 25% protein, and 5 to 10% carbohydrates. Let's look at a typical day. Breakfast: scrambled eggs with spinach and tomatoes, paired with plain Greek yogurt. Pre-workout: collagen protein shake with almond milk. Post-workout snack: Greek yogurt with chia seeds and raw honey. Lunch: a salmon burger with mixed vegetables. Dinner: grilled chicken breast with cauliflower rice and a side of vegetables. Exercise rules for longevity. Gary emphasizes strength training, stating, "The presence of oxygen is the absence of disease." His motto, "Lift heavy to live long." He views muscle as the body's metabolic currency, crucial for metabolism, lean mass, and caloric burn. His recommendation? Incorporate at least 3 days of weight-bearing exercises per week to build muscle, increase bone density, and maintain overall health. Supplements for longevity. Gary swears by a couple of supplements to enhance his daily routine. Multi-collagen protein, to support muscle recovery and joint health. Vegetable-based protein, for added nutrition. He avoids whey protein, as it can spike insulin levels due to hidden sugars. For best results, Gary mixes his supplements with almond milk for a low-carb option. Foods to avoid for longevity. Gary cautions against specific foods that could hinder your health journey. Flavored Greek yogurt. Although marketed as healthy, these products often contain up to 30 grams of sugar. Instead, stick with plain Greek yogurt to avoid sabotaging ketosis. Table sugar. Gary advises cutting out refined sugars, which are linked to insulin spikes and diabetes. A better alternative? Organic raw honey, which offers a more balanced sugar composition. White rice. High in carbs with minimal protein, white rice isn't ideal for longevity. Switch to cauliflower rice. It offers more protein with fewer carbs. Fresh vegetables. Surprisingly, Gary recommends flash-frozen vegetables over fresh ones.
Why?
Frozen veggies are harvested at peak ripeness and retain more nutrients through the freezing process, while fresh produce loses nutrients during storage and transport. Industrial seed oils. Oils like canola or soybean oil are highly processed, often with harmful chemicals like hexane and sodium hydroxide. Gary urges replacing these with healthier alternatives such as, for cooking, coconut oil, ghee, or grass-fed butter. For salads, olive oil or avocado oil. Thank you for watching. Gary Brecka's approach offers actionable steps toward a longer, healthier life, focusing on nutrition, strength training, and mindful supplementation. If you found this content helpful, please subscribe. It keeps us motivated to create more valuable videos. And don't forget to check out our previous